Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to find your connections, other messages on LinkedIn using your PC, you're in the right place. With LinkedIn's latest update, navigating your inbox may look a little different, but I'll guide you through each step so you never miss an important message again. First, open your preferred web browser and head straight to LinkedIn's website. Log in with your credentials if you haven't already. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look toward the top menu bar. Here you'll find a speech bubble icon labeled Messaging. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you'll see your main messaging window pop up. This is where all your conversations live, but LinkedIn separates messages into different sections to help you stay organized. At the top of this window, you'll notice tabs or sections. Find and click on the section labeled Other. This is where LinkedIn places messages that aren't in your main inbox. Often messages from people you don't interact with regularly, or messages that LinkedIn's algorithm thinks are less urgent. Once you're in the Other section, you might see a mix of messages from various people. But if you want to filter these messages to only show those from your connections, look for the Your Connections filter. Click on it. This will instantly narrow down the list, displaying only the messages from people you're connected with on LinkedIn. That's it. You've now accessed your connections. Other messages on LinkedIn using your PC. This simple process ensures you don't miss any important updates or opportunities from your network, even if they land outside your main inbox. To recap, open LinkedIn in your browser, click the messaging icon, head to the Other section, and then filter by your connections. With these steps, you'll always be on top of your LinkedIn messages, no matter where they're sorted. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more LinkedIn tips and updates.